Hello everybody, today we are in the 2020 Ford Fusion with the SYNC3 audio system. So, I know what you're thinking, this is probably something I gotta plug in a computer or whatever. No, actually it is super easy. What you have to do is hold this button here and this button here, both at the same time, and a little something will pop up. Now, before you do this, make sure that your audio volume is set to 1. That is absolutely imperative. If it's set any higher, you will be startled. Let me end that real quick. Once you have everything connected, your audio diagnostics will pop up. It's just going to test your speakers, whatever. It's really not that important. What you want, what you clicked on this video for, is your testing settings. And you can enable your testing settings. Sorry for the flickering. It's not the car. It is the camera. You can scroll up and down. All of this stuff right here, do not touch any of this unless you know what you're doing. Enable your testing settings, and you're good to go. And then you can switch your theme to whatever you want. Some of these don't necessarily fit the whatever screen you might have. However, my personal favorite, and this might take a little bit, if you think that your headset or your head unit has frozen, do not open your door and shut the car off, whatever, to try to reset it, because it is currently trying to reset. It's just applying your settings. So we're going to give it a couple seconds. And there you go. Lincoln Black Label settings have been enabled. And it looks fairly nice, especially compared to the stock Ford, theme. Now, once you've done your actual testing settings, you can scroll over here and your testing settings will pop up as long as everything is enabled. Your reticle is actually something that you can mess with. That basically just shows where you touched. As you can see, that little thing. Back to settings. And you can go ahead and play with this however you please. As far as I know, this this will work with any Ford vehicle as long as it has SYNC3. So your Lincoln, if you want the Ford theme, go ahead, go for it. If you're like me and you really like the way Lincolns look, I have the perfect solution for you. Just change your theme. Not necessarily a permanent thing. Actually, I've noticed that as soon as the car goes into the hibernation mode, is what Ford calls it, it completely resets your theme back to whatever. And this, as far as I know, does not void your warranty. And if you think that it might void your warranty, the easiest thing to do is click on Enable Test Settings. It'll remove it from your settings list, so that testing settings will be completely gone, and you will be a-okay to take it into your dealership. And as you can see, it does change everything to the Lincoln logo. And you open your door up, the Lincoln logo will pop up on your head unit. Now, I'm going to keep messing around with this, and hopefully I can find some more cool stuff for you guys. Until then, I might be gone for a little bit. I do have some cool Mustang stuff that's coming up. So if you'd like to subscribe, be my guest. If not, have an excellent day. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can.